Hi everyone, my name is April, and a little bit about myself is I really enjoy doing cycle bar. It's my favorite sport to do. It's just a stationary bike high intensity workout. After I take one of these classes, I just feel ready to take on the day. I've been doing it for about 6 months now, and I adore the community and how supportive everyone is. Um, Accomplishments. One of my greatest accomplishments is in 11th grade. I turned in a poem that I wrote to a publication lottery and I won. And recently I became an ordained minister and I get to officiate my older sister's wedding and possibly some others. In this course, I'm hoping to find the meaning and achievements in my academic goals. I'm looking forward to discovering new things about myself, and I'm looking forward to learning the ins and outs of Canvas and the Valencia courses and everything there's to offer. And how I feel about remote learning, I really like it with the virus and everything. It's made me feel safer that this is an option. It also causes less stress, and I'm able to still work a full time schedule without having to compromise family time. Thank you.